Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We had a great debate one, now to debate two. Can just a social media platform consider itself above the law of the land in India, bigger than India? Tonight, the 5-page, strongly worded notice from the Union Ministry of Information Technology should be a reminder to Twitter that they will have to pay heavily if they don't comply on action against instigators. Here are the facts, and then we debate.
On the day a siege was laid to the Red Fort, on the day Tricolour was insulted, on the day policemen were attacked and public property damaged, there was a barrage of misinformation campaign on social media platforms, even from some Lutyens Media journalists who have now been booked. 2 days after Twitter's sham of a crackdown and U-turn, Ministry of Information Technology has sent a stern notice to Twitter.
Just 3 days after the entire suspension farce, the government now is hitting back at Twitter. The government issues a notice to Twitter, asks them now to act against the instigators.
On January 21st came the first warning from the government. Twitter was asked to block handles that tweeted with the hashtag Modi planning farmer genocide. Twitter suspended the handles only to restore it within 5 hours.
किसानों के मुद्दे पर ट्विटर जो है वो कार्रवाई करता है, तो यहाँ से तो पहले से ही शक हो रहा था ट्विटर पर, फेसबुक पर कि जो बीजेपी के भड़काऊ भाषण देने वाले नेता हैं उनके अकाउंट्स ऐसे चलते हैं, और जो लोगों की तरफ से कोई बोलता है तो उसको राष्ट्रविरोधी, देशविरोधी बोल दिया जाता है.
Was Twitter under pressure from motivated groups to defy the government? Is an ideology more important for the social media group than the law of the land? And if Twitter does not course correct, should an indigenous alternative be the way forward? Let's debate.
This American company thinks that it will set the agenda. On the debate tonight, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Rami Desai, Aarti Tikku Singh, Madhu Kishwar, Sushant Sari. Mahesh Khan, Abdul Razak Khan, Ketan Vaidya, Professor D.K. Giri and Rahul Ishwar. Now, my view is very simple. I want to start with my own view, if I may. I am a great believer in Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I think Indian social media alternatives, Indian video sharing platforms, Indian technologies managed by Indian entrepreneurs should get a big opportunity. You know, like Koo, like Mitro, these are great Indian-born companies, and they deserve encouragement, and we are going to work with them in the future and even presently. The question is to Madhu Kishwar to start with. Serious debate. How does Twitter have the guts to cock a snook at the government of India? Madhu Kishwar. Because they have refused to do what the Ministry of Information Technology has told them to do. And when they blocked certain handles, they blocked it for 4 hours. I don't think they blocked Donald Trump for 4 hours. So they've shown their inherent bias, but how are they being allowed to get away with so much?
But it's not the first time, or no, you know it very well, that all those who support Narendra Modi are soft targets for, hate targets for Twitter. Many of us have been shadow banned. So many of us who stand against the Break Up India forces, who stand against secessionist forces, who stand against Maoists and other disruptive groups, Khalistanis, we have been targeted by Twitter. And I'm really disappointed that the Modi government has not thought it fit to invest into creating an alternative platform. Because if Donald Trump can be reduced to oblivion all of a sudden, I mean a serving president, then Modi is much softer target. They could blacklist all of BJP the way things are going. We know the forces behind Twitter. We know that they actively promote Break Up India forces. And therefore, Atmanirbhar Bharat demands that India create its own platform. And you know, I know, everybody knows.
Yeah.
If Narendra Modi alone were to shift
We have
to the
actually,
new platform,
Madhu,
funded by the government,
we have
heavily
actually,
protected, and also
we have
setting
actually, and that's
good
what,
international standards of new
Yeah.
kind of journalism. What is important is India can show the
Yeah.
world
No,
what a free press and a free social
We have
media, fair, non-partisan social media looks like. The whole world is crying for it. And if half of India
Rahul,
shifts
Ishwar.
overnight to a new
No,
platform that the government supports, then half
it
of the
it is
world
possible.
will shift, because
No,
Twitter
it is possible.
has shamed itself
It is possible,
repeatedly.
and
Twitter has
it is
shamed
Arnab
itself
ji,
repeatedly.
Arnab ji, our own Modi ji,
Yeah,
who
it
I am
is
a great
possible,
fan
and I
of,
think I-
used Twitter 4
No,
times
may I
today.
just,
Narendra
Rahul
Modi
Ishwar,
ji
may I just
used-
make a sentence before you come in? I want one sentence of a response to before you come in, Rahul. One sentence of a response if you don't mind. Madhu Kishwar is completely right. She said, why is the Modi government not investing in creating alternatives? Madhu, polite, small disagreement with you. The government has initiated. In fact, part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat, there was a whole sort of kind of competition, and Indian companies came to the fore. And some are really brilliant. Like I keep talking about Mitro. It's a great sharing platform. And then there is Koo. Koo is a platform on which you can put out social media messages in all Indian languages. I'm very proud, and they are world class.
ban
I can
Twitter,
tell you, user
or
experience
not
is
first
fantastic.
ban
They're world
Twitter.
class, and some very young Indian entrepreneurs
this
are
is-
behind it.
Or not first
Arnab ji,
ban Twitter.
Arnab
Well,
ji,
banning
Narendra
Twitter is the
Modi-
issue.
Unless
Okay,
you
Rahul
ban
Ishwar.
Twitter,
Rahul.
the alternative will
this
not
is where
work.
we go overboard.
Ban
this is where we
Twitter.
go overboard.
First ban Twitter.
Madhuji, if Twitter is being banned, where
I'm
can
saying
I, as
ban
a regular
Twitter
follower
or
of
not.
you,
That's the
read from you?
punishment they deserve.
Just 2 lines, madam. Narendra Modi ji used Twitter 4 times today. I am a regular follower of Madhuji, of PM Narendra Modi. Where do I get to see all this? Everybody supports that India need to have our own companies, but at the same point of time, diversity of opinion
to
is
an
what
Indian
the world
app.
is all about. Please, of course, yes. And then why is Madhuji there?
Why
is
does
PM
Modi
Narendra
not
Modi ji
shift
there?
to the alternative platform?
Let us celebrate
We will all
diversity of
abandon
opinion.
Twitter. Or
That
not, we
you
will
may- I may not
happily
like.
abandon
You may not
People will
like.
all
I
migrate.
don't like.
India will do
There'll be
it.
mass
I
migration.
agree with you.
If Prime
If
Minister
who were to allow,
backs
if you would have
No,
tweeting,
please don't do that.
if you would have social media messages in English
If you
and
could
Indian
do it,
languages,
do it.
everybody is going to
We
move
get
to
the
Koo.
world with
KOO.
I agree with you, but I will defend to death your right to say it. I will disagree with you, but I
Who
will
can
defend to
beat,
death your
who
right
can
to say
beat
it.
Twitter hollow?
Don't we have that democratic spirit?
Who
You
can
will
beat
say
Twitter
more
hollow?
Something sensible,
Is
Rahul
not
Ishwar.
diversity and pluralism a
Rahul
hallmark of the world
Ishwar.
democracy?
You
And please
defend the
remember, Donald
indefensible
Trump crossed
always.
the line.
And you're going to
No,
learn
no, no,
a
no,
very
Just
tough
one line.
lesson.
Donald Trump crossed the line. Twitter did the
Or
right
not,
thing because he was
why not
instigating
ban
people.
Twitter and then
Please
back
remember,
the
we
alternative
have to be very
platform?
realistic.
Okay, let's
The
get everyone in.
government
We have to be very realistic.
Okay, let's get
Actually
Sushant.
bring in-
Let's get Sushant next. Everyone, now come on, come on. I need to get everyone in. We have a lot of time in this debate. I would just like to emphasize a simple point. And the government says, yeah, Razak, I'm getting you into the debate with Sushant, but I'll just ask a question. You see, the question is, government says incitement to genocide is not freedom of speech. It is a threat to law and order. Delhi witnessed violence on Republic Day. Twitter unilaterally, this is now a point of defiance, Sushant. We have to now deal with the issue differently. It becomes extremely serious, different from what we debated yesterday. You see, Sushant, what the government is pointing out is that Twitter unilaterally unblocked accounts despite a government order for blocking. And the government of India is having to remind them that Twitter is an intermediary. They are obliged to obey the directions of the government. Twitter is refusing to obey the instructions of the government of India, so the issue becomes more sensitive than it was maybe 24 hours back. Sushant, what should we be doing?
Okay, so I just request Mr. Razak to follow after me so that we don't speak over each other. Now, a couple of things. Number one, Twitter will cock a snook at the government if the government is not ready to crack the whip. It's very simple. If you're not going to crack the whip when somebody steps out of line, they will step out of line. What is the disincentive for them? And all this nonsense about freedom of speech and what the gentleman before me was saying that, I will protect your right to say it. It's all very well on the books. But when in the US, for example, which is supposed to be in the vanguard of free speech, somebody says that, look, I think the elections were rigged, and I'm not saying whether they were right or wrong, but they were exercising their right to speech, you demand that they be disbarred from the bars in which they are enrolled. You demand that news channels be deplatformed because you don't like their views. So don't give me this crap about freedom of speech and expression. All of this is all very well when you are preaching to other people, not when it applies to yourself. Number 3, Mr. Razak, please, Madhuri, have some patience,
political benefits.
Yaar, have some patience. Let me say, then you say after that.
Mr. Razak, let him complete. Mr. Razak, let him complete. Mr. Razak, let him complete. Mr. Razak, he made a specific request, and I put you on the screen because you will speak after him. But that becomes a problem when I'm giving you instructions. Please, listen, Razak, Razak, Razak.
Arnab, you have to learn to shut these guys up here. Otherwise, how can anybody have any conversation? Let me just make 3 or 4 points.
Now, Razak, you made your point. You see, I'm a gentle spirit by nature. I can't get into violent confrontations. It's bad for my constitution, Sushant. So I am trying to request him, and he has to listen to me. Mr. Razak, may I request you to please stop and allow him to finish and then go into 5th gear. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Now, what is this? Now, what is this, Razak? What is this?
Kind of hectoring.
Come on, complete.
I'm speaking. I requested him right at the outset. Let me finish, then he can go and say whatever he wants to say. So the next point I want to make is, please remember one thing. It is one thing to use Twitter. It is quite another thing to misuse it. These social media platforms have been weaponized. This is not something new. This happened 10 years back when the Arab Spring was taking place. We should have woken up at that point of time of the dangers which some of these platforms entail. Let me give you an example. In 2016, when this whole Burhan Wani thing was happening, I saw similar toolkits of the kind which Greta Thunberg has. This is why kids should not get into big boys or big kids games. Greta Thunberg has tweeted out. Those kind of toolkits were given out through WhatsApp and other media to people in Kashmir to how to trend things, how to create violence, how to organize disturbances. This happened in India, in Kashmir in 2016. It has been happening ever since. And what we see today, or what has been revealed today to people like us, is really the same thing which has been happening ever since. So it is being weaponized. You have to crack down on this. If these guys don't listen to you, there are enough provisions in law that you can throw at them. You can file criminal cases against them. You can deplatform them. You can remove them from India. You can penalize them in multiple ways. If you are not going to do it, then I'm afraid this kind of a thing will keep happening. You have to understand how many of the... Arnab, tell me something. When 7 or 8 or 10 Indian journalists are tweeting the same the hashtag with almost the same message, do you think this is a coincidence? Or do you think this is an orchestrated thing to create disturbance out here, spread rumors, to spread violence?
It's an orchestrated
very
thing.
Clearly.
No, Sushant, it's completely orchestrated. Let me, Mr. Razak, before you come in, I want to make a couple of points. We are aware of, Mr. Razak, may I request you for a small observation? I'm coming to you, sir. That pen looks very dangerous. Just put it down. 1 second. It's completely orchestrated. I mean, let me tell you one thing. I have personal experience. They target individuals, they target companies, they target journalists, they do it regularly, and they make it very obvious. The message is clear. They do a Twitter storm, 11 o'clock, Twitter storm. Arnab Goswami is a traitor, Twitter storm. From Pakistan to India, it's all orchestrated. I have personal experience, but that's not an issue. My concern is more at a very, very serious level. I cannot accept an abuse and defiance of the Supreme Court. And I'll tell you why. It has become commonplace. What the government has done is that the government notice to Twitter actually quoted more than half a dozen Supreme Court judgments, including Abhijit, those of constitutional benches of the Supreme Court as to what is public order and what are the rights of authorities. Now, Twitter, being an intermediary in India, is obliged to obey the directions of the government, quoting Supreme Court orders as to which inflammatory content will arouse passion and impact public order. Twitter cannot, as the government has rightly highlighted, Twitter cannot sit as an appellate authority over the satisfaction of the authorities about its potential impact on derailing public order. My personal experience on this issue has been post Pulwama. There was a person with a blue tick who put out a tweet saying a Sikh regiment will not support India, indicating there is a mutiny, had morphed a Republic logo on it, had tweeted it. When we went and complained to Twitter, Twitter said the people in Silicon Valley will decide. Now my question is, how can Twitter be above the government and above the Supreme Court? And are the owners of Twitter in Silicon Valley basically saying we will not comply with either the government or the instructions of the Indian Supreme Court or any court? In that case, we have a major issue on our hands. Abhijit, this is getting very serious. It's not a small confrontation.
Do you remember?
That's why I put Nation versus Twitter. Abhijit, please come into the debate. Yes.
When Donald Trump got banned, Arnab, you remember on this show I told you that this is the precursor for this liberal madhouse. Now remember, Jack Dorsey is on record saying that conservatives felt unsafe in his organization, which means he's quite happy to allow institutional bullying of certain political points of view even within his own organization. Now, what has happened internationally is that now they feel confident enough with the Biden administration. They think they can get away with anything, even though they understand very clearly that being an intermediary operating in India, you have to follow the laws of the land. The moment you become the appellate authority, you become criminally responsible for all actions that ensue because of your appellate authority, which means that any riots that happen, because that document that this poor abused girl shared, the abuse victim, what's her name, Greta Trotsky, I don't know, some Greta Trumpy something, Trump Vegas, whatever. The poor Swedish abused girl tweeted, she's been, it very specifically gives you a handbook for riots. It is calling for demonstrations against Indian diplomatic missions. If any of those become violent, Twitter executives are criminally now responsible for it, number one. Number two, Greta Thunberg, something, whatever her name is, poor thing.
Gentlemen,
she is also criminally responsible for it.
When the hashtags inciting the hate are trending on Twitter, and these handles are actually followed by the ministers and the PM. I think I'm mute right now.
Madam,
let me repeat that again.
You need to understand,
the question is to the
this is a
gentleman who is
decision
right
made
now
by
facing
Indian
me
courts.
here.
It is
When there are
open to
hashtags
public
inciting
interpretation.
hate
It is
are
made by
trending on
Indian
Twitter,
courts
and
the
these
Indian
handles are
government.
actually followed
It
by the
isn't based on
by
what
the
every
PM and
Tom,
the
Dick,
BJP
Harry or
leaders.
Meena
So where are your
Sita
social
decides
ethics and
is
values?
a,
There are
is
Twitter
an incitement or
hashtags like
inflammatory
Musalmano
tweet.
ka
This is
Bahishkar, do
very
not
simply
buy
following
goods,
the laws of the
boycott
land as
Muslims.
dictated by the
You know,
courts, by due
where are you
authority
when
and
this
by the
hate
government.
incited violence Twitter hashtags are actually being forwarded by the BJP IT cell? Do you guys just go into a silent deep sleep when these kind of Twitter hashtags have been run through?
What is the connection
Or is
with
it
this?
blatant
We're
ignorance?
talking about laws.
I also
we're
want to
talking
ask
about laws,
Arnab,
the
the kind of
enforcement of
strong
laws.
stance you're trying to put against here today. Where were you? Were you in some kind of exile when there were Twitter hashtags trending? Ke total Muslims ka boycott karo, boycott Muslims, do not buy goods from them. Where was Republic? Not trying to do a debate over that. Where were you? Where was your nationalism and the Twitter?
See the whataboutery,
running through it.
This is a question
I rather
of
feel that we
riots.
must congratulate Twitter as a global platform that they're taking a stand.
I think I will.
And whataboutery these people resort to.
I tell you one thing. I tell you one thing, viewers. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. Some people asking me, Arnab. 1 minute. Some people asking me, Arnab. I have therefore got an announcement to make. 1 minute. 1 minute. Some people asking me, Arnab, that why are you using Twitter on your program? I'm going to use Twitter to expose Twitter. But Mehez, Mehez, is it Mehez? Mehez, when I was in class 7, I was a very good debater. And some people used to do declamation also. Listen to me, Mehez, listen to me. When I was in class 7, I was a world-class debater. And I had some really bad debaters on the other side. And they had a bad habit, Mehez, that when they forgot one line, they used to keep repeating it again and again. No, like you remind me of those people, the bad debaters of class 7. When they stumble on a line, they keep repeating it again and again.
I know you.
Now, question here is, some people asking me, I am therefore very proud to say,
the back of the government, and you are trying to put the propaganda over there. I'm equally proud of where I come from, so you are. So do not try and personally attack me here once again.
Now, it's all right. It's all right. Now I want to tell you, viewers, that I have an announcement to make. That Republic, Mehez, calm down. Mehez, I say things with a sense of humor. The problem is you take me very seriously. Now, question here is this, and I want to bring in everyone into the debate. Okay, now, I know this inciting hatred is your fashionable word. The fact is that those people, now Mehez, now you're being very repetitive. Those people, now the government writes in its letter, it says very clearly, and can I have a serious debate right now? Mehez, can you give me a break for a minute? I get Professor D.K. Giri on the debate. I have Aarti Tikku Singh, who's come after a long time on the program. You see, the issue is this. The government writes, and I find this revolting that the government should have to write a letter like this. The government of India is writing to Twitter that we wrote to you, we told you, you are aware of the prevailing situation, which has resulted in a major public order issue. The statutory authorities are doing everything possible to ensure no adverse public order situation takes place. In light of this, as per the settled practice, an order was passed. The said order was communicated to you on 31st January at 3 p.m. It is unfortunate that you chose not to comply with the same till almost the time fixed for the meeting of the committee as contemplated under Rule 9. That is 1st of February till 3 p.m. So first of all, the letter proves Twitter refuses to act. The offending handles were blocked only a few minutes before your advocate appeared before the committee. The ministry is in receipt of your reply, wherein Twitter has declined to abide and obey the order issued by the government of India. Now this is too much. This is too much. Government of India having to plead to Twitter and saying Section 69A of the Act provides jurisdiction to the central government in cases wherein it considers it necessary or expedient to direct an intermediary to block for access for public information generated, transmitted, received, stored or hosted. If the government is satisfied that the same is necessary to prevent incitement to the commission of violence. I mean, I don't understand. The government of India is having to request, Aarti.
The government.
This is what this has come down to.
Platform will give them
Arnab,
I am appalled. I am appalled, Aarti and DK.
in the past.
Arnab,
I am appalled.
Arnab, let me.
So there should be a framework of regulations.
Arnab, it's
which
a tragedy.
It's a
tragedy
Let me finish,
that.
ma'am. I've started. I speak very briefly. No. Can you hold on, ma'am, for 1 sec? I just finished very briefly. I was just telling Arnab which laws the Twitter should abide by. If there is no law, they should abide by from Government of India. We can't do anything. Like BBC, they don't take any instructions from their own government.
There is a law, sir. What are you saying? The government has quoted the law. I'm sorry.
Gives them the freedom.
DK, the government has quoted the law.
Yeah.
The government has quoted Supreme Court observations.
Yeah.
No, it's wrong what you're saying.
No, that is observation. You see, no, that's what I'm saying. I don't know the law.
It's a tragedy.
But if there is a law, they must abide by it. If there is no law, come on, madam, I'm finishing. If there is no law to restrain
Sir, there is a law, you are wrong. The government has quoted the law. Twitter is refusing to listen to the law of the country.
Then you take action. As simple as that. We are not so weak. The government should take action. Stop them. That's as simple as that. Why should we be debating on this? It's
Absolutely,
all right,
Aarti.
you are bringing it to public notice, but if there is a law, that must be there.
Arnab.
Okay. Madam, the floor is yours.
Arnab,
Arnab,
Yeah.
it has taken us more than 10 years to come to this point where the government has woken up and is finally pleading and not ordering, not commanding, but pleading with Twitter, a platform which has absolutely no credentials, because we don't know who the funders are, we don't know what their agenda is, we don't know who is really running it, knowing the fact that they actually they removed former US President Donald Trump from that platform. It has taken us 10 years to come to this point. What a nation are we? What kind of a state are we? That despite the
Rightly
efforts,
so.
despite the fact that people like us, journalists like us, who had been pleading with the government for the last 11, 12 years, that platforms like Twitter and Facebook and Instagram are being weaponized. They are actually the weapons of mass destruction psychologically. They have ruined our youth. They have ruined
From
how
all
we think,
sides.
how we process information. We don't know what is real, what is not real. It has come 10 years to this point. And again,
but that is an
the
extreme-
fact that the government
that-
is pleading,
that is a very
what for?
extreme reaction.
Pakistan
It's
has,
not correct.
Pakistan
It has
has
a lot of
better
utility.
leverage. Pakistan has better leverage. Pakistan has better leverage than India. Imagine Prime Minister Imran Khan. He came out
Oh, no, 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 no.
against
That is not-
French
that is not- I
President
don't think so,
Macron on the issue
Oh.
of beheading,
Mehez.
of a teacher in France. And
Yes, yes.
and Twitter
I would like to
and
come in
Twitter
here.
has
I
been
would like to remind
supporting
the
the
lady
blasphemy
here
laws of
that there was a
Pakistan.
government request
India
not
has
even less than a year
not even
ago
once been
that,
able
you
to
know, the
prevail
Twitter
on
had to
Twitter,
block the
despite
tweets
the
by
fact that we
BJP
took hits
MP
on
Tejasvi
Kashmir.
Surya,
We took
who had made
hits.
defaming
We
statements
took
on
hits
Twitter,
on CAA.
where he had written that
we
you
saw
know,
massive
that
violence.
the terrorist
We
does
saw
not have a
massive
religion,
violence over
but
so many issues in the
why
last
is
10
it
years.
so that
There were
in
people
almost
in
all the
Kashmir
cases,
who were working in cahoots
Allow
with
me to-
people
allow
in
me to come
Turkey, in Qatar. There are IT
Tejasvi
cells which
Surya
are operating
writes
from Middle
that
East.
it's true
There
that
are
terror
IT
has
cells
no
which
religion,
are
Mehez.
operating
but
from
the terrorists
Peshawar
definitely
and
have a
Rawalpindi
religion. And in
against
the most
India.
cases it's
Has
Islam.
India ever prevailed
And
on
this
Twitter
Twitter
and Facebook?
had to be-
No,
this Twitter-
absolutely
this
not.
Twitter- the
Instead,
tweet
we
had
have
to be
been
brought
giving
down.
in.
I think
on a diplomatic
no, I think the legal
our
issue here is
psychological
got to the
space.
BJP
I think
and
Ketan is
the
also coming in. Ketan.
support their agenda.
We have
Ketan.
been
Side of the
social
ideological
and
spectrum.
political space on a
See,
No,
the,
no,
the,
Ketan.
the simple point that I'm trying to make
Ketan.
Arnab, is if
Ketan.
This is unfortunate.
if there
Ketan.
is a yeah.
Ketan, may I? Ketan, may I? You debate with Ramit, she's not spoken either. Ketan, may I please? You see, Twitter is not a court of law. What Twitter, the way it is behaving today, is that it is behaving like a court of law. It is therefore using its own internal rules to justify non-compliance with rules of the government of India. Now that is setting a very dangerous precedent. You need to, as an Indian citizen, think about this. Twitter cannot do this in America with the American government. It is doing this in India. It is defiantly saying we will not comply. And I can tell you one thing, Ketan, we must not come from a position of weakness. Let me tell you, if tomorrow Twitter is blocked in India for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you may think that people like Madhu Kishwar, who have a huge following, will be affected. No. If Madhu Kishwar goes tomorrow to Coup, let me tell you, she'll get the same number of followers on Coup. That got one of the awards for being one of the best microblogging platforms. It is available in all Indian languages. I think it will soon be available in English. So you realize, we don't come from a position of weakness.
Are you here to promote coup? Do you have some
That's the
personal
point I want to make.
interest in
And
that
it's a
or
very
not?
serious...
I want to ask you
Definitely
a
not,
question
but
here.
No, it's not about promoting coup, Mitro. Yes. Why should I not? Why should I not? You have a problem with it? You have a problem with it? I will promote all Atmanirbhar products. I have every right to. It's my democratic right. What's your problem? What's your problem? Ketan and Rami are on the debate.
That there are trends.
Ketan and Rami are on the debate. Ketan.
The simple thing is that if there is my simple point, if I may start and just take 1 minute, is that if there is anything inflammatory, anything divisive, anything negative, diatribe related content from any side of the ideological spectrum, then the government should bring it to Twitter's notice and pull it down or take necessary steps. However, if it is coming from a position of political standpoint, and if it is imposing its style of politics on Twitter, then that is something that I have an issue with. Because there are trends like Nathuram is a patriot. There
Where's
are
the style of
equally divisive
I don't think
and
the
inflammatory
argument
Where's the politics over
trends
a-
coming from the right-wing
The
spectrum.
argument here, Chetan, is extremely simple. If you happen to be a dominant player in the space that you
Chetan.
operate in and have the influence to change discourse, then it is but obvious that users and governments will naturally expect neutrality and consistency from you. And why should you not give that? But if you choose to abuse your dominant position, then you should also be open to scrutiny by, let's say, the Competition Commission of India. The government of India is taking this matter seriously, but the onus is on Twitter as well, because the fact remains that today social media has deeper penetration than mainstream media, and we have seen how it was used to instigate conflict or fake news leading to law and order issues. I live in Delhi and I've borne the brunt for it, whether it was anti-CA, Delhi riots, farmers' protests lately. And genocide, Chetan, is a very serious word. And if you can block Trump, or let's say even Khomeini for using, I think you used the word
I am
revenge.
not undermining the problem
Revenge.
of fake news.
Then you should be on
Especially
this
when the
side
Prime
of the
Minister
fence,
of my
not on
country
the other side
quotes
of
a
the
fake
fence.
news
The
website
fact is,
to quote
I'll
Omar
tell you,
Abdullah.
I'll tell you,
That's
Chetan,
where the
you have to
problem is.
understand
That
the fact
the real
is
problem is
that
fact
Twitter
checking
does
from both the
not
sides.
give a damn about
Why are we
India or
having
Indians.
fake news?
And it does
Why are we
not
having
give a
such
damn
right
about
right?
what our
Because
government or what our law is. May I remind all these people sitting on the other side of the fence that there was a hashtag that said Brahminical patriarchy, and nobody said anything about it. But you have to accept that Twitter has no respect for us, and there is this white man's arrogance and privilege, which is evident,
Yes,
and
yes,
they have blatantly put India's national security at risk. They simply don't deserve. They don't think that we deserve a democratically elected government because they are here to run the show. And people like you, Chetan, should not be defending Twitter. You should not be on this debate, talking about the government's responsibility. I have to say that Twitter stands exposed today, and so shall you for defending Twitter and its propaganda. Twitter today is indefensible. And the world knows Jack Dorsey and his policy heads have had a clear bias and have consistently taken positions on social and political issues. Why should they do that? Is that their job? Everyone knows that they enjoy the freedom of mainstream media, but they don't want the scrutiny that comes with it, that comes with this freedom. They don't want the responsibility that comes with this freedom. Everybody knows that pre-filtration technology is available, but they don't want to use it. Everyone knows that they can only try this in India because there are people like you who will come on debates and defend Twitter and its biases over and above a democratically elected government, Do you think you or Twitter would be allowed to have these kind of shoddy principles in China, let alone influence discourse there?
Why can't the government take direct action? Because it benefits the BJP.
I think the government is really stepping towards it.
It is benefited
but I don't think you should be sitting there and defending anything.
Fake news. It has always helped the BJP. Today they will not take action on Twitter. I am very sure. I will give it to you. Trust me, the government will definitely not take any action. This will just go away in 2 days. The government will not take action. Earlier, all the fake news spread through all
well, I think you should really see the note.
It has always helped the BJP.
No, you should see the notice.
Take action earlier
You should see the notice that. You should see the notice that the government has sent. You would have not, Razak, let me tell you one thing. You should see the notice that the government has sent. I think the government is going about it in a very strong, strategic and legal way. But the people of the country are beginning to lose patience. Please don't bring religion into this. This is about the country. It's nation versus Twitter. Because Twitter has tried to shadow ban the Chinar Corps of the Indian Army. No, please understand, it is our government versus Twitter. It is national interest versus Twitter. Don't try and give your own spin to it. Remember, you got to decide which way you are on, Razak. You know, Twitter became a platform for the Pakistan's minister Ali Haider Zaidi to circulate false videos from 2 years ago from Madhya Pradesh, and then he said this is from Kashmir. You want to support these people? Twitter suspended the account of the Indian Army's Chinar Corps without any reason. You want to support these people? Which side are you on, man? Which side are you on? You narrow-minded, myopic view that you have. Boss, Ladakh was shown to be part of China. It was only changed when Ajay Sahni, Secretary in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, wrote a letter to the Twitter CEO.
This is called Gundagiri.
Gundagiri? I think this is crossing the limit right now. I don't know how to respond to this kind of blasphemous words being used here. The government of India has sent a message. Okay, fine. I'll get Madhu Kishwar on the debate, please. This is getting completely unreasonable. You're going...
The government should not involve itself in Gundagiri.
Arnab.
They should give a chance for all the dissent.
Arnab, may I come in?
Madhu.
Okay.
Madhu.
You've had your say. Let me have...
Well, Twitter made Jammu and Kashmir part of Pakistan and China as well.
Stop him now.
Yeah.
Arnab, if India could lead the world in finding the best possible COVID vaccine, and mind you, that required cutting-edge research, whereas the technology that Twitter is using is now well known, and most Indians have been involved in actually developing platforms, social media platforms. I see no reason why this paid media, Twitter has actually become one of the worst examples of paid media. And as Aarti just said, nobody knows where its funding comes from.
So, madam, will you boycott Twitter today?
Any rules of the game.
Madhu
There's no
Kishwarji,
code of
will you
ethics.
boycott Twitter today?
There's also no.
Will you delete your Twitter
I'll do what
account today?
I will. Please
Madhu
stop
Kishwarji,
heckling.
be a nationalist.
Stop heckling.
Be a nationalist, madam.
Stop
will
heckling.
you delete Twitter account today?
ये ट्विटर का एजेंट है.
Will you delete your Twitter account today?
Okay.
Will you be a nationalist? Will you walk the talk?
Or not?
Will
Can
you
you
walk
not
the
shut him
talk?
up? Can
Will
you
you
not
set an
shut him up
example?
or not?
Will you set an example?
I'm saying please,
Ma'am,
or
just
not,
stop
please
all
ask him
this
to shut up.
I will try. I will try. Please keep quiet. Mr. Razak, Mr. Razak, I heard you. You have repeated one line 11 times.
Please mute him.
You are also like the bad debater in class 7.
Let me finish.
7 times he's repeated, 11 times.
Let me finish.
11 times.
Or not.
Now go on for a 12th time. Repeat it.
If we agitate,
yeah, 13th time. Go on.
Or no, please stop him.
It's a simple thing, Arnab. This is fake nationalism.
Or no, please
when
mute
something
him.
is
Let me
against
have
the
half
country,
a minute.
They have to prove.
14th time. 14th time he's repeated the question. 14th time he's repeated the question.
Account.
Let me come in now or not. Let me come in for 1 minute.
Okay, now 14th time. Now you stop. Now you stop. Now you stop.
I am being muted here. I would like to come in and respond to Kishwar. Ma'am, Kishwar.
Now what I'd like to say is, when people demand...
Let Madhu respond please and then you can come in.
Or not, why do you bring in hecklers?
Madhu Kishwar.
If people demand clean air, it's
a complete, yeah. Why? What's the problem if Madhu Kishwar completes the point?
Crazy gentleman.
You're a silent...
He wants to heckle me, that's all. He's a saboteur, heckler professional. Now, Arnab, if people demand clean air, it's foolish to say you stop breathing the dirty air you're protesting against. If this platform, we will use it to the extent we can to discredit it. But we are pleading with the Prime Minister, if we could lead the COVID vaccine battle, and be successful. We are world leaders in doing it. We're cutting edge.
Okay, now Mehez, wait, no, let her complete.
Here the technology is well known. And if the Prime Minister himself patronizes it, all of us in no time, half of India will shift. Twitter has become the worst example of paid media, what people call prostitutes. Nobody knows where their money comes from. Nobody knows who's the real boss. The faces that are heading it are clearly aligned to break up India forces. They proved it time and again. and
Madam
if we
Kishwar,
don't throw them out
if
of
you would
India,
unmute me, I'm
if
sure
we
people
don't
will be
ban,
able to hear it
then
here
the
very well.
alternative platforms don't stand a chance. It's only when they're banished
You're
out
not-
of
you're
India
not on
and the
mute.
Prime Minister himself appears on an alternative platform that our
What is-
Swadeshi
what is Rahul
platforms
Ishwar
have a
showing?
winning chance,
It's the same
especially
Twitter which
if
you're
we
talking
can show
about.
the world.
Mehez
we
is on the
can
debate.
run a
Mehez.
non-partisan,
Mehez and Aarti Tikku.
ethical
Mehez and Aarti
platform.
Tikku now.
An
Madhu, 1
ethical
second.
platform.
Rahul Ishwar, what are you
I'm
showing?
trying to say that here.
The
You have no
Indian
answer
army
to that.
tweeted thrice
So the-
today.
please
Do you mean to say that
stop
Indian
your
army is
government
anti-national?
propaganda.
Indian president,
Madam
Indian
Kishwar
prime
and
minister,
anybody
Indian
else is
army,
just part
all our
who are
ministers are
trying
there
to
on Twitter.
propagate the
Do we
state
mean to say
agenda
that they are
here.
anti-nationals?
The
So
first
stop
thing
these
was,
extreme
Madam Kishwar,
arguments
I have
of
just
making
and
anybody an
deactivate
enemy
your
of the
account on
state
Twitter.
when you don't
You
like them.
certainly
I may
have.
not
Arnab,
like their
Rahul,
opinions,
probably you
but
would
please
not do
don't.
that.
Rahul Ishwar,
Stop.
Rahul Ishwar, we are talking about whether Twitter will comply with the rules of the country. Don't you have the sense to understand that simple question?
Your account.
No, no. What are we asking? We are asking whether Twitter will comply with the rules of the country. Are you an anti-national who says that the rule of the country should not be followed? Are you an anti-national who says that the laws of a sovereign country must be disregarded by a foreign company? What is more important to you, Rahul Ishwar? Does our sovereign country or a foreign company? I am shocked at the extent to which you are willing to compromise.
Not the country. Government is not the
Is our sovereign country's sovereign interest more important than the corporate interests of an American company? I want to know from you.
But please stop branding all.
Oh, so what is the country, Rahul Ishwar?
Anti-nationals. Government,
Government is not the country.
I like Modi.
State is not the
Modi
country.
Is not Mr. India.
You behave like one of the non-state actors.
Mr. India.
Sushant is on the
Modi
debate.
is not Mr.
You are saying today, Rahul, you are going on record that an American company should be allowed to defy the rules of the country.
They
You have said so on record. Don't back off now.
Only a platform.
You have gone on record saying this.
Where
You have
Modi
gone
is
on
there,
record saying this.
President
You
is
are
there,
saying that an
Army
American
is there.
company should be allowed to
Do you mean
incite
to
the
say
people
that?
of India
Do you
and then
mean to say
disregard
that
the rules of the
Army is
country.
there?
You are on record saying this.
Who want-
Shame on you, Rahul, for saying that.
Are you
How can you
insulting
say
Indian
that?
Army?
How can you
Are
say
you
that?
insulting Indian
How
Army?
could you say that?
Do you mean to
I
say
find
that
it
Indian
disappointing.
Army is on a
You wear the tricolor, you wear the tricolor on your shoulders right now, and yet you speak against the interests of the Indian government and the Indian state.
Government is
I
not
am
the
shocked
country.
at you,
Please
Rahul.
remember
I
that.
didn't expect this from you. Neither did Aarti Tikku. Neither did Sushant. Nobody expected this from you. Just because you have got a verified Twitter handle, you're willing to, for you a verified Twitter handle is more important than national interest.
Arnab, it's a shame. It's a shame that they are backing these. It's a shame that these so-called champions
shame,
of
Rahul,
the
it's a
poor
shame.
and farmers in India are
Government
actually
is not the
backing.
country. Neither is Modi
They are
ji, Mr.
actually
India. I
backing
like
big
Modi ji,
tech
that's a different
media, and big tech media is essentially a tool of Western imperialism. They just don't know. They just don't understand. It's a classic
Aarti ji,
case of
our army is there
subversion.
on Twitter.
Subversion from
Our
within
army
and
is there on
outside.
Twitter. Is our army anti-national?
You-
Our army is there on
Yeah, I
Twitter.
tell you one
no
thing.
idea.
I'm telling you one thing. I'm telling you and Razak, Rahul Ishwar and Razak, I'm telling you, if you believe in the sovereign republic of Twitter, 1 minute, I will say it to you and Razak. You may not like it. If you believe in the sovereign republic of Twitter, don't carry an Indian passport. Take a passport of the sovereign government of Twitter.
Of this country.
Take a passport of the Twitter government. I'm telling you, Rahul and Razak, do that.
In your channel.
Do that.
Twitter messages in your
Anything
channel.
that
You
goes
are running a
against
Twitter
the
hashtag.
government
What are you
You
saying?
are running
be
a Twitter
entertained.
Yeah, so I'm making an announcement, Rahul, for you. I'm making an announcement for you.
Feed on your channel.
I am making an announcement for you. Republic will be opening tomorrow its own official accounts on Indian homegrown apps. I am promoting Indian homegrown apps, Indian social media video sharing platforms like Ku and Mitro. I live by my word. I encourage and work with Indian entrepreneurs. I'm not a hypocrite like you belonging to the sovereign republic of Twitter.
Against the interest of the government, not against the interest of the
Arnab
nation.
ji,
BJP
please
government.
remember,
Against
such
the interest
extreme
Tushar.
views
BJP
doesn't suit
government,
democracy.
not
Tushar.
against the interest.
Arnab, I have to oppose you on one simple thing. I don't know how you assume that
When
I
something goes against
would
the
imagine
nation,
that
stand by
I
it.
would hear something less ridiculous from Rahul Ishwar. I only hear ridiculous things from him, and I've heard a ridiculous thing from him that Indian Army is anti-national because it uses Twitter, and I think Madhu explained it very well. There is a medium. I don't agree with that medium. I have huge problems with it. And I agree with what Aarti is saying, that this is a medium which is increasingly being weaponized and used for subversion. Having said that, there is one option for me, which is to simply, close my eyes and go into hibernation and pretend it doesn't exist. There is a second option for me, which exists right now. It's not a perfect option, but I will use it, and I will use it to the extent I can to debunk whatever fake news, whatever propaganda I can get, and try and push my own narrative. But yes, at the end of the day, it is the job of the government that if this kind of subversion is being carried out, the government needs to come down with like a ton of bricks on some of these characters. There is simply no way out. There are other countries which have done it. The Americans have done it, for God's sake. And the Americans don't take lightly to this kind of thing. All this talk about freedom of speech, etc., notwithstanding. The second thing is that we need to define parameters of what is freedom of speech and what is not. The way it is defined in the Indian law and in the Indian constitution, it's open to all kinds of interpretation. I think I would go along with what the Americans say. Anything which actually threatens violence, actually leads to violence and stuff like that needs to be proscribed. Everything else goes. Now, I might say that I want to boycott Rahul Ishwar. My boycotting somebody is a very non-violent action. That's my democratic right to boycott a movie, a boycott a star. Why can't I do that? Somebody else can boycott me for all I care.
Tomorrow the government will come out and say it is the Indian government which will authorize who should get a blue tick. Sir,
the point is they are operating in India.
We are not China.
Okay, the point is they are operating in India. They are operating, they have accepted. The terms and conditions of them operating in India are that they accept the intermediary laws. Now, if they are intermediary guidelines. Now, if they have violated the intermediary guidelines, the punitive act lies in the IT Act 69A, Part 3. Okay, which very clearly specifies 7 years in jail. Now, you can't go around saying that they come here and if they violate the law, why don't you just ignore it? So tomorrow if some foreigner comes here and murders somebody, you don't like it, you should just ignore it. The police should go after this. What kind of idiotic logic is this, yeah? What kind of clowns have you gotten on the program, Arnab? They don't even seem to know the law. They don't know how jurisprudence works. They don't seem to know head or tail of anything.
Mehez and Abhijit are on the debate.
Communists have. Those who speak against the communists are branded traitors of the society. I live in a communist state. So what will the Home Minister of Kerala doing tomorrow? Those who speak against communists, they will say they are breaking law and order and he will be put on jail. Do you want that? Please be sensible. Please be moderate. Please allow reasonable difference.
First of all, Rahul, the very basis, you were never strong on first principles. You are not strong even now. Okay? It is one thing attacking Narendra Modi. It is one thing attacking Narendra Modi and the government. It is quite another starting to stoke riots in India. Please understand the national flag is not the BJP flag. Please understand the Red Fort is not the BJP's party headquarters. Okay? Like everything, Rahul, you have this unique talent for getting your first principles wrong. You have this unique talent for getting all the basic underlying fundamentals wrong. Over and over and over again.
I love dissent.
Okay? And remember, India is not Kerala. Just because you live under a crackpot, crazy, drug-addled government in Kerala doesn't mean all the rest of us also.
According to Rahul Ishwar,
neither India is China.
According to Rahul Ishwar, according to Rahul Ishwar, Madhu Kishwar, according to Rahul Ishwar, Madhu Kishwar,
China. This is exactly what you're trying to do.
Flinging the Indian tricolor
India is not Kerala. Well, Kerala
and carrying out a near riot situation, beating women on the streets of Delhi is an act of dissent. Well done, Rahul. Well done. Beating women, flinging the tricolor on the ground, creating a riot is an act of dissent. Well done. No, I'm saying well done to you. Well done to you. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Or not. See, let us not simply play to the gallery. There is a reasonable diversity of opinion.
For what happened on January 26th or what happened during Delhi riots. It was aimed at setting India on fire. For example, the anti-CAA agitation, which Twitter fully backed and fully supported. So every time anti-India forces, secessionists raise their heads, Twitter is out in support. And it goes out of the way to promote anti-India forces. I don't see why we have to tolerate
And
it
I'll tell
any
you,
further.
no,
Its crimes
they are looking
are
at
too
they are looking
many
at traffic.
and too serious
They are looking at traffic.
to tolerate it.
No, they are looking at traffic and no,
And
I'll give you
India
one point
can-
before I close. They are
can
looking at traffic and
impact
Twitter saw an
the
uptick in
traffic
downloads
severely.
after the George Floyd protests in the US. So when there was violence in the US, it benefited Twitter. So they have their commercial interests at heart, but we have India's sovereign interests at heart. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take this forward. We'll try and get a reaction from the Union IT Minister, who sent a very strongly worded notice. This is about national interest now, and I shall see you soon. Ladies and gentlemen, till tomorrow, good night and goodbye.